Okay, we are working on our shape book. So this week we've talked about two words. We talked about sides and we talked about vertices. Let's talk about sides first. Show me a thumb if you know what sides are, what sides on a shape are. Aaron, what are sides? Lines, good job. Okay, Aaron, I'm gonna check your brain. Are you ready? Are sides straight lines? Or can they be curvy, wiggly lines? They're straight lines. They have to be straight lines, right? All right, what about vertices? Who remembers what a vertice is? Drea, what's a vertice? Okay, you're right. It's like a corner, or it could some people call it corners, some people call it angles. It's where two sides meet. When two sides meet, it's a vertice. It's a corner. All right. So let's go over what we did yesterday before we get to today's shapes. Show me with your fingers, just super quick, how many sides and how many vertices are on a square? Noah's got the answer. Ooh. Henry, I like how you're using two hands to come up with a different arrangement of the correct answer. I can't say the number right now. Thinking outside the box, I like that. Aaron's got the answer. All right. Noe, how many sides are on a square? How many sides and vertices are on a square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Good job saying it with confidence. All right. Triangle, show me with your fingers. How many sides and how many vertices are on our triangle?
Ooh, Cruz has it.
Okay. Counting 7 kids with the right answer. Hold on, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right. Elias, how many sides and how many vertices are on a triangle?
There are vertices. How many? 1, 2, 3.
3. Good job.
Good job.
Elias, I can break up the question. I'm sorry, I combined my question. How many vertices do you see on the triangle now?
How many vertices? How many vertices?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. All right. And hard one. Hexagon. Show me with your fingers how many sides are on a hexagon. I'll give you a hint. You might need more than one hand. Oh, Henry's got it. Aaron's got it. Noe's got it. All right. I think Gianna's got it. Gianna's kind of close to the camera, so I can't see all her fingers. All right. Cruz, you get a hard question. Are you ready, Cruz? How many sides do you see on a hexagon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Good job. All right, we are going to fill in our description for our shapes. Let's come back to the circle. Take a look at the circle. How many, show me a thumb if you know how many sides are on a circle. Drea, how many sides are on a circle?
0.
0. You're right. Because a side is a straight line. We don't have any straight lines on our circle. And I like that word 0. A circle has 0 sides. So when we say 0, we mean nothing. It doesn't have any sides. Drea, I have one more question for you, sweetie. How many vertices are on a circle?
0.
0. Because we don't have a place where two sides are meeting, so it has 0 sides. It has 0 vertices, I'm sorry. A circle, let me write it down first and then I'll read it. Okay, so we have a circle has 0 sides. A circle has 0 vertices. All right. Gianna, what shape is this? Do you know what shape this is, sweetie? Rectangle. My friend, show me a thumb if you know how many sides are on the rectangle. Noah, how many sides are on a rectangle?
4.
Rectangle has 4 sides. All right. How many vertices are on the rectangle now?
3. I need 4. I need 4 verses.
All right. A rectangle has 4 vertices. All right. So it says a rectangle has 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 vertices. All right, let's brings us to our rhombus. When you have the answer, I think you guys know my question already. I'm going to ask you to tell me how many sides, how many vertices are on the rhombus. When you have your answer, show me a thumb. Oh, I am so behind on my cheers button. Oh, wrong button. All right, great job, Noah and Gianna, Andrea, and Elias, and Cruz, and Lachlan, and Henry. Noe. Noe, this is a rhombus. How many sides does a rhombus have?
3.
Count again. Double check your work.
2, 3,
4. A rhombus has 4 sides. All right. Noe, how many vertices are on a rhombus? 4. Loud and with gusto, I like it. Has 4 vertices. All right, so let's read it. A rhombus has 4 sides. A rhombus has 4 vertices. All right. Now, let me ask you guys a question. This is a square. This is a rectangle. This is a square. This is a rectangle. Square, rectangle. Square, rectangle. Rectangle, square, square, rectangle. My friends, what's the difference between a square and a rectangle? How can we tell them apart? If we were telling our moms and dads the difference between a square and a rectangle, what should we say? Show me a thumb if you think you have an idea. Aaron, can you tell me the difference between a square and a rectangle?
The difference is I don't know.
Okay. All right, my friend Aaron needs a lifeline, just like on that old TV show. Who can help my friend Aaron? Lachlan with his band-aid finger. Lachlan, how about my friend Aaron? What's the difference between a square and a rectangle? Lachlan, what's the difference between a square and a rectangle?
Because a rectangle's two sides are different from a square.
How are the two sides different? Tell me what you see. How are these two sides different than a square?
Because a rectangle is just a rectangle's top side is short. Also, the rectangle is bottom side. Well, the side ones are like longer than them.
Oh, I like that word, longer and shorter. Good job. All right. So did you guys notice what he said? Lachlan said there's two sides on a rectangle are longer than the other two. Let's look at the square. Are any sides on the square longer than the others on a square? No, all the sides are the... Oh, you're all muted? Okay. Okay. All the sides are the same. They're all equal. So let's write that down. A square has 4 equal... I'm assuming you guys said that word. I'm just going to go ahead and assume. A square has 4 equal sides. All the sides on a square are the same. But is that the true for a rectangle? No. So what should we say? Lachlan, tell me what you were saying. You were saying a rectangle has 2...
Two sides are than the ones are on the side.
Okay, has 2... We'll say a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. How's that? All right. Oh, I did not mean to move it. All right. All right. I have 3 minutes. All right, my friends, great job. I'm going to